Friends, if your engine mount looks like this, it is time to replace it. 3000 GT 1993, and this is a replacement, and this is the old one, and look how torn it is. Yes, this thing is no good. Bye bye, new one. So underneath I put a block to support the engine, just making sure that it doesn't fall down. But it's not going anywhere, even if I didn't put anything. The reason is because the sides. You got the side mount. You see, there's this side here, and then there is another one on that side. So it's not going anywhere. But it's best to put something, under it just in case, because even a small amount of movement can actually impact the removing when it comes to removing the mount. All right, guys, this is a follow-up video because the previous one I removed the back bracket. Now this one here is the front one because I couldn't figure out how to remove it. Now a fellow YouTuber commented that in order for me to remove the engine, this engine mount, that's the front, this engine mount here, the bracket has to come off, and here's why. You see there's that bolt here, and you got this bolt. This one is very easy, but you got this bolt that's hold the mount. And so we cannot get to it. There's a one on the other side. I cannot get to this one here with any tool because of the this piece here. Because the way this is the edge, there's no space. So therefore, this has to come out. That's what I didn't want to do. I use a flashlight, and I notice in here, see, that's the top bracket. Inside here, there's a reason why there's this opening. There are the two screws, bolts. They are in here. That's mounted to the engine block. I will take this out and then I can show you later. But right now it's a little bit difficult. And the other bolt is back here. And then there's a third bolt. Yeah, you're looking at it here. Yeah, this bolt here, but this one is very easy. Friend, 10 hours later, no, I think more than 2 hours, about 2.5 hours later, I tried every possible combinations just to get this. This is the bracket, and there are two screws you see back here. You see those? They can only be accessed through here. So I had to use sockets, swivels, and I had this serpentine belt, and I had to do gymnastics as well just to get those. Then after that, this was hard, and then just like my friend on commented, and I look underneath and I saw there was this bolt here on the side, so I had to do gymnastic as well. But I said gymnastic is the general term, but I had to use the vault. I had to do flips, cartwheels, just to get this. So in essence, this was as hard as a divorced mother of three. Yes, it was so hard to get. It was worse than a divorced mother of three. Yes, but let me show you what is next. Yeah, so now this is the mount I'm going to remove, and I will show you why it was so hard to get to. Mentioned, in order to get the side bolt, I had to remove the heat shield that sits up here so I could access the side bolt on this bracket here. Okay, so now I can easily access these the bolts. You see, 1, 2, and then this one, 3. I can easily access them. Okay, so I won a gold medal at the Olympics. Yeah, so now the only issue is to come back home because I don't have money for plane tickets. Meaning putting this back together. It shouldn't be as hard, but again, it will be challenging. But again, this is oh, okay. So it's as bad as the back one. I just couldn't. Yeah, you see, look, see that? See the other side. This thing is 30 years old. So this is why I had to remove the bracket. You see the back two here. Yeah. So that's how it was, and there's no way to get to the two bottom bolts without removing the bracket. So, but to take this one here was hurdles, many hurdles. So you see, so basically it's gonna be the same tool putting them back. This one was easy, but I just didn't know it was there. But this one here, just to get the bolts back in there, that's going to be challenging. So I'm going to do this off camera, but good luck. Good luck. But again, it's worth it because I'm saving money, and if you do it yourself, you'll save money. So this is the mount. I'm going to place it first. It goes in one way. There's no way of missing it because it's the bolts are triangular. And here are the bolts. Okay, so I don't know what the torque is. I called Mitsubishi and asked for the designer, and they told me this guy died 20 years ago. So now I'm only guessing what the torque was. So it should be fine. Elbow grease. Next, I'm going to put this the bracket, and that's the first bolt I will put just to lining up. The side bolt, I got it on and did a little bit of gymnastic, but it's not going to be as easy as doing gymnastic for these two. But I haven't tied it up yet. Yeah, so I will wait at the end. It took me about 30 minutes to put the stuff back together as expected. I had to do some gymnastics also to get the bolt inside. Okay, and so I torque not to specification but to my specification. I torque them, so all I have to do right now is to put the shield back. This one here. Just gonna put it back here, and then that will be it.
Ladies and gentlemen, that last opportunity, last chance on the main stage was verbally last chance on the main stage was verbally